Hey all, our objectives for today will be to 1. Guess the content of the text flooding in Bangladesh. 2. Find the meaning of the words. Catastrophic, flood, devastated, staple, landslide, delta and drain. 3. Answer questions as they read the text, flooding in Bangladesh, silently and individually. First, what are natural disasters? A natural disaster is an event that is caused by the natural forces of the earth where great damage and, sometimes, loss of life occurs. Human actions have no hand in the occurrence of natural disasters. Let's list some natural disasters. Volcanoes, earthquakes, tornadoes, floods. What is flooding? A flood is an overflow of water that submerges land that is usually dry. Flooding may occur as an overflow of water from water bodies, such as a river, lake, or ocean, in which the water overtops or breaks its natural levels, resulting in some of that water escaping its usual boundaries, or it may occur due to an accumulation of rainwater on saturated ground in an aerial flood. Name some countries that suffer from frequent floods. India, China, Vietnam, Pakistan, Indonesia, Egypt, Nigeria, Bangladesh. How often do floods happen in Bangladesh? Floods happen annually in Bangladesh. Flooding happened in 1987, 1988, 1998, 2004, 2007 and 2010. Catastrophic floods happen once every 50 to 100 years. Dangerous floods. In 2004, a flood occurred in Bangladesh and lasted for 2 months. It covered the capital of Bangladesh with 40% water. It left 30 million people homeless. It killed about 700 people. Bridges and major roads were destroyed. Waterborne disease killed many people. Crops were destroyed, mainly the rice crops. In 2007, another flood happened. It covered about a large area in the country. It killed thousands of people. 100,000 people were affected by water-related illnesses. 10 million people were left homeless. Crops were also destroyed. Let's find the meaning of the following words. Catastrophic. Flood. Devastated. Staple. Landslide. Delta. Drain. Catastrophic means disastrous. Flood means an overflow of water from a lake, river, or ocean. Devastated means ruined or destroyed. Staple means a basic food supply. Landslide means breakdown and downhill flow of rock, mud, and water. Delta means a land formed at the mouth of a river. Drain means a pipe or a channel allowing liquid to flow out. Now, read the following questions and guess their answers. 1. When did Bangladesh suffer from catastrophic floods? 2. What kind of damage did the floods cause in 2004, 2007, and 2014? 3. How were farmers affected? 4. When rice fields were flooded, would farmers be able to make a living from something else? Explain. 5. What caused the 2007 flood? 6. Why do you think food prices would rise after floods? To answer the questions, read the text on page 118.